Hello again everyone. Today me and my dog are going to try how fly an ordinary drone just for practicing. I hope I'm not disturbing them. Okay, so let's go. There are some cows eating grasses. Let's try if can fly this drone. There's no too much wine, so I think it's good to try it today. My dog said. Let's go home. I'm trying to learn how to fly this drone, but it's not easy. What are you doing then? Sometimes the controller doesn't work. It also fly to small pond. Luckily it flies away to the field. Thank you for watching. See you again to my next video.